Right, morning YouTube, and today is just a day hike. I've said to myself I'm dying to get back out. I've been lackadaisy over the last few months, so that's why I made the last couple of videos on camping and stuff like that, just get the buzz, and I've got it. So what I need to do now is build my fitness back up. So I'm doing one I haven't done, and I've never had intentions to do, but I've had to do to sign off to say I've done it, and that's Slieve Donard, the biggest in Northern Ireland. Reasons for not wanting to do it is just it's very popular. I like stuff a little bit more remote, less people, but I've got some time off today, last minute thing. I thought, you know what, I'll get it done, get it blasted. So yeah, let's go. So yeah, just got my headphones on today, obviously videoing it, but priority is doing the hike, getting out is number one, and then obviously making the video on top is a bonus. So yeah, looking forward to it. No one around at the minute, so hopefully it'll stay like that, and the sun's supposed to get out in about an hour or so I might be able to get the drone out at the top. Brilliant. Well, I don't know how well you can hear us, but it's a brilliant walk up. I've done it quite a few times now. When I camped on Commodore and did the full day hike with David Doyle outdoors with the NI Walking Photography Group. But yeah, it's class. Just waterfalls all the way up. I haven't seen anyone, it's absolutely brilliant. Love this walk up, it's really cool. Even I've got my headphones on, but I've had to turn them off. Just sound of the waterfalls and the water, really relaxing, good for the mind. So I'll stick the headphones back on when we get up a bit, up through the woods. Absolute class. As you can see in the background there, you would have seen it 100 times before on outdoor videos in Northern Ireland. It's the ice house. on the way to Donard. Very popular photos and videos and stuff like that. But looks pretty cool with the backdrop. So yeah, I've seen a lot of people wild camping down here, up this area, a lot. Looks really nice, but to me, I definitely wouldn't do that, you know what I mean? It's too popular on this path. You've got hundreds of people walking past you constantly, and that's, to me, that's not wild camping. Don't get us wrong, if we were somewhere out of the way a little bit, that'd be brilliant. It'd be probably one of my favourite spots, as like close to car sort of camping. You know, probably if it wasn't so popular, that would be good for the child. Mind saying that, these stones can be quite slippy, so if you've got any really young children, probably wouldn't recommend it. Just not this bit, but just a bit further down, could be a little bit scrambly near the waterfalls. So yeah, class. I love being in the Mournes. I keep saying I want to mix it up, which I have been with the last couple of camps I've done, but I love coming back here, and why not? It's got everything: waterfalls, mountains, amazing views, beach views, you know. So if you did a camp here and that's all you did, you can't be going wrong, because there's so much places to look around and explore, even woodland camps or anything, as long as you stick there, leave no trace, don't leave a mess like a lot of people have been in the forests and stuff like that. It spoils it for everyone, but I encourage everyone to do it. If they tidy up after themselves, why not? Get out, get away from the telly, good for the mind. But yeah, the child, Jackson, he wants to be a YouTuber, so I said to him, that's fine if it encourages him to get out, keep off the Xbox and his Nintendo Switch and stuff like that. It doesn't have to be just the outdoors, or could be like points of interest, places to visit. So yeah, he's made a couple of videos there on YouTube. So yeah, I'll put his channel in the description. Appreciate it if you give him a like and a subscribe. Said to him if he gets 50 subscribers, I'll buy him his ultralight camping chair for start wildland camping with us when it gets a bit warmer. Oh, I can feel it now, like. So, definitely blue skies over there. We're still in the mist a little bit. Hope it clears at the top, be worth it. Crossed over the saddle here because the other side's really windy. I'll not be getting the drone out today. As you can see, I don't know if you can see the clouds flying past or the mist, but look, even if there's no views, I need to get up there, I need to sign it off, and that's what I came up for. There's plenty more places I would prefer to be honest with you. In the Mournes, you've got Binion, the Devil's Coach Road in the background there. So, blue skies over there, blue skies over Newcastle. I'm in the mist. Looks like it's starting to break up. Oh. Definitely think it's going to be too windy for the drone at the top, which is a shame because I think tomorrow there's hardly any wind. But this is what I'm going to do. I've just got to compromise with family duties, stuff like that. Very busy life. That's why you might not see us for sometimes for quite a while. But struggle to get out, obviously with kids, and the oldest kid is he's in a wheelchair and stuff, so sometimes things can be quite busy. But I'm determined to get back out, get the buzz, get my fitness back up. So yeah, really windy over there. But yeah, let's crack on. Right, that's me, top of Slieve Donard, the highest mountain in Northern Ireland. Can't see anything, like pea soup, but it doesn't matter. Would it be nice to get the views? Tomorrow it's supposed to be really nice with no winds. I think tomorrow would have been ideal for the drone. I might even get it on down the valley there, but it was good for the fitness. But really what I wanted to do it for was just to get back into shape, get the blood pumping, get the buzz back, and I've definitely got that over the last few weeks. I want to start making more content on YouTube again. I've been a bit laxy-daisy, haven't even been watching much of people's videos. Like I say earlier, quite busy with the family and stuff like that, but when I can I'll watch them and comment on them, you know. But yeah, I'm going to take 5 minutes, get a drink. I've got a pepperoni, and like a little snack bar I might have just before I head back down. So I'm not too sure what time it is. I know in fact when I get down the bottom of that valley again, you're going to be able to see everything up here. It's going to be really clear, sun shining, people sunbathe and everything. But while I'm up here, it's going to be like pea soup. Just about to get the drone out there because the sun was out. It would look really nice and starting to spit. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to get the raincoat on and just get a pace on. Still a really good day. I'll see if I can make any video out of it. If I can, happy days. If I can, it doesn't matter. I'm still going to be out, but look, it's starting to piss down here. Okay, so that's me nearly back in the car. Nice walk today up to Slieve Donard. So that's it ticked off. Like I say, I've been avoiding it for a long time just because it's a very popular one with like tourists and stuff. But it was pretty quiet while I did it. Not much visibility at the top, but sure, that's what happens with mountains. It's So yeah, thanks for watching. Not a big one, just a day hike. I'm planning on doing a lot more of these every week if I'm not camping, which brings us back to that. I might be wild camping next week. Haven't done the last couple weren't in the Mournes, so I think I'm allowed to come back in that way and maybe just to pitch up there somewhere. But yeah, cheers for watching. See you on the next one.